Greetings from Switzerland to my loving brother on his 70th birthday. Happy birthday, Mom. May you have more birthdays to come. Good luck, good health, and enjoy your special day with your family and friends. From Sister Ida.
Happy 70th birthday, Daddy. Enjoy your special day and may all your wishes come true. Here's to another year of good health and happiness. We love you, Daddy.
สวัสดีค่ะ Hello Daddy. Happy 70th birthday po. Wishing you endless happiness. Stay strong and healthy po. Miss ko na po ang food trip natin dyan sa Kubo. And promise po Daddy, hindi na po ako makikipagkwentuhan habang kumakain para di na po ako mapagalitan ni Daddy. I miss you all, Suratis family. Ingat po kayong lahat. Once again, Suksan Wankad Daddy, happy 70th birthday. Greetings from the land of smiles, Thailand. Bye-bye. Okay na to.
Happy birthday, Lolo. I hope we meet soon and I hope you enjoy your birthday. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Daddy. Stay healthy. We love you.
Happy birthday, Tito!
Happy birthday po, Tito. Happy birthday, Lolo.
Happy birthday.
Ingat po kayo palagi.
His birthday, Manong Mario, to an amazing brother-in-law. Your kindness, humor, and support means so much. So happy to have you as a family. Happy 70th birthday to an amazing brother-in-law. God bless! Happy birthday!
Hi Daddy, kamusta ka na? Kamusta na kayo? Sobrang tagal ko nang di nakakapunta dyan. Miss ko na kayo mga kapatid ko, sila Jennifer, Jackie, Joanna. May mga kids na sila. Si Mami, hi Mami, kamusta na kayo? Miss na kita Mami. And today, it's your special day. Ang wish ko lang, wala nang iba kundi good health at masayang araw-araw with your family. Miss you Daddy. Hope to see you soon. I love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Manong Mario. I wish you all the best, good health, and more birthdays to come. Syempre. Enjoy your day, Manong. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Manong. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Manong
Happy birthday!
70 years old. So that's a big accomplishment. 7 decades.
Keep learning. Keep busy.
Older, wiser.
Happy birthday, Mario! Happy birthday, Mario!
Send mo yan.
Daddy ka! Happy birthday, Mario! Magsalita! Ikaw naman lang.